Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there for your home and kitchen needs. Today, we're diving into the Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle, truly the best Hamilton kettle you can get. If you're someone who loves tea, coffee, or just needs hot water on the go, this kettle is a must-have in your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle is a powerful 1500-watt kettle that boils up to 1.7 liters of water faster than your microwave and much safer than your traditional stovetop kettle. This is perfect for those hectic mornings when you need to make a quick cup of tea, coffee, or even instant soup without waiting around. It boils water incredibly fast, so you won't waste time when you're on the go. One of the standout features of this kettle is the automatic shutoff with boil dry protection. This ensures that the kettle will turn off once the water has boiled, so there's no need to worry about forgetting it on and causing any mishaps. Plus, if the kettle ever runs out of water, the boil dry protection kicks in, preventing any damage to the kettle. A key design feature that makes the Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle super convenient is its cordless serving ability. Once the water is boiled, the kettle lifts easily off the base, so you can serve your hot water without being restricted by a cord. This makes it much more practical for the kitchen countertop or even the dining table when you're having guests over. The attractive blue indicator light on the kettle lets you know when it's powered on, so there's no confusion when you're using it. Made with durable stainless steel and a BPA-free interior, this kettle not only looks sleek but is also designed for long-lasting performance. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance, making it fit right into any kitchen decor. Plus, the water window lets you easily monitor the water level, so you know exactly how much water you've added or boiled. For peace of mind, the kettle is designed to be safe and hassle-free. Whether you're making tea, boiling water for a French press, or preparing oatmeal, the Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle gets the job done quickly and efficiently, so you can focus on enjoying your favorite hot drinks and meals. If you're looking for the best kettle for your kitchen, this Hamilton Beach model is certainly the one to beat. With its fast boiling time, sleek design, and safety features, it's definitely the best Hamilton kettle available. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products for your home. Thanks for watching.